Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO C50 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the wallpaper section. You can do it by using the app, which is called Themes. It should appear somewhere on the home screen. If you do not have it here, you can do it by using the settings. Here we have to scroll down in order to find the wallpaper. And as you can see, we will be transferred to this section with the wallpapers. And if you'll have the internet connection, you will be able to check a lot of beautiful options to choose from. As you can see at the very top, of course, you've got the categories, the scenery, new top. You've got also some favorite ones, so if you will find a wallpaper, you can always tap on the heart icon and it will be added there. So basically just find the photo you'd like to use and tap on it, and let me pick for example this one. If you want to check the preview of the particular wallpaper, you can do it just by tapping on it. As you can see here, we've got some options which are kind of connected to the chosen option. Here you've got also more. Just by swiping you can check it. And as I said, let's tap on it in order to check the preview of the wallpaper. You can zoom it in or out if you want to. You can change the position of it just like you want. And if you're happy with your choice, just tap on apply here. And now you can decide where you want to set it. So you can set it as a lock screen, home screen, or both. And I will pick both options, so let me tap on it. I don't want to use the wallpaper carousel. Of course, if you want to, you can just tap on agree. We've got the information that the wallpaper has been applied, so now we can go back and check. And as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied to the home screen successfully. Let's check the lock screen, and it is also visible right here. So basically that's all. This is how to change the wallpaper in your POCO C50. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.